And here I am, standing in my kitchen, staring at a bowl of badly crushed biscuits. And yes, this is my very first cheesecake ever at 24. And I'm not even making it for myself, I randomly decided to make it for my boyfriend on a completely normal Tuesday. And in this exact moment I realized two things. First, apparently today is the day I decided to experiment and I am fully ready for whatever happens. And second, I don't even have the right pan for this, but I will figure something out. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I made this no-bake pistachio cheesecake step by step and how something that didn't start perfectly still turned it into something really special. Are you ready? And if you are not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to fix that. And let's start. But first I will quickly show you all the ingredients I used. You can also find the full ingredients list in the description. Okay, let's actually start. First, I cut about 200 grams of butter. The recipe says 100 grams, but I already knew I am using way more biscuits, so I am doubling the butter from the start. And we send it straight into the microwave. While the butter is melting, I move to the biscuits. According to the recipe, I needed 200 grams, but I love a thin crust, so I used about 375 grams in total. And this is where it gets interesting. I genuinely didn't know how fine the crumbs should be, so I tried everything. My hands, a fork, and then I found this random mental coffee press tool in my kitchen. And somehow that worked best. Were they perfectly crushed? No. Did I keep going anyway? Absolutely. How would you crush them? I need your kitchen hacks. Now I pour the melted butter into the biscuits and mix everything really well. The goal is simple. Every crumb needs butter, so the base holds together later. Remember how I said I don't have the right cheesecake pan? So instead I use a regular cooking pot. I line it with the foil, so later I can leave the cheesecake out like fluffy.
And modern problems require modern solutions.
Then I press the biscuit base into the bottom and up the sides, making little borders. And honestly, it starts looking like a real cheesecake base, isn't it? Let's put it into the fridge for about an hour. While the base is chilling, we move on to the creamy part. First, I take 250 grams of mascarpone, the whole top, and spoon it into a bowl. Then I add 4 packs of cream cheese, and honestly, it works just as well as Philadelphia. Next, 70 grams of powdered sugar, and we mix it until it's smooth and creamy. If you are still watching, maybe you like this kind of content. On this channel I usually share travel and lifestyle, and apparently now random kitchen experience too. So if that sounds like your vibe, subscribe. Now the best part, pistachio paste. The recipe says 100 grams. I added the whole jar because I just love the pistachio. Mix again. Next, 20 grams of gelatin. I mix it with water, warm it gently in the microwave and add it to the filling. Then I mix again, so it's fully combined. In a separate bowl, I whip about 100 milliliters of 30% heavy cream until fluffy. Then I gently fold it into the pistachio filling. Slow and careful, we want it light. And that's our cheesecake filling done. I take the base out of the fridge and it's set, which honestly feels like a win already. Then I pour the filling in, carefully smooth the top. And now the hardest part, waiting. 6 hours in the fridge.
6 hours later.
I am back. I lift it out using the foil and it works. It actually holds its shape, and I'm honestly proud of this pot and foil invention. Now let's decorate it. I used strawberries, blueberries, pistachios. Honestly, whatever you have works. Make it pretty. Make it yours. Then I put it back in the fridge for another 30-60 minutes, just to let it chill a bit more.
1 hour later.
Okay, let's slice it. Let's see what we created. Look at that texture. Creamy, smooth. Now the taste test. Oh my god, it's so good. My first cheesecake ever. And I'm actually proud. Rate my cheesecake from 1 to 10 in the comments. And be honest, would you try a slice? And this is reminder for you. If anything in your kitchen doesn't go exactly as planned, you can always save it. See you in the next video. Bye!